In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Gmail inbox separate for social, promotions, and forums. Organizing your inbox can be a game changer, especially if you're dealing with loads of emails every day. We'll walk through this process, step by step, to make sure your inbox is tidy and well organized, allowing you to focus only on the emails that really matter. First, let's open your Gmail account in a web browser. It's best to use a computer or laptop for this process as it provides more visibility and control over the layout. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner of your Gmail window. Next to your profile icon, you'll find a small gear icon. This is your gateway to settings. Go ahead and click that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll see a button labeled See All Settings. Click on it to find yourself in the full settings menu. Once you're in the settings, take a look at the top along the row of tabs. You'll want to focus on the one that says Inbox. Clicking this will redirect you to a page that allows you to customize how emails are sorted in your inbox. You'll see different options here, but the one we want for our task is the inbox type. Check to ensure that the default type is selected. This is crucial because the default setting is what gives you options to categorize your inbox into different sections. Next, under Categories, you'll notice several checkboxes with labels such as Primary, Social, Promotions, Updates, and Forums. These are the default categories Gmail uses to automatically sort incoming mail. The key here is to select Social for emails from social networks, Promotions for deals and marketing emails, and Forums for messages from online groups. You can click on the checkboxes to select these categories. For a clean initial setup, make sure Primary is also selected, as this is where important emails usually land. Once these categories are selected, ensure to scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find a button labeled Save Changes. Be sure to click this button. If you forget to save your changes, they won't take effect, and you'll end up having to do these steps all over again. After saving your changes, return to your inbox. Here, you should see that your emails are now neatly sorted into tabs labeled Social, Promotions, and Forums at the top of your inbox. You can click on any of these tabs to see emails that fall into these categories. Remember, this setup will allow Gmail to automatically filter incoming mail into these sections based on the email content. Over time, Gmail gets better at this, so let it do the heavy lifting for you. Now, you can focus on what's really important, responding to essential emails and keeping track of those promotions and updates. And there you have it, a neatly organized Gmail inbox ready to manage emails efficiently.